Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can see who visited your LinkedIn profile. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, open the LinkedIn application on your device. Once the app is open, tap on your profile icon located at the top left corner of the screen. This will open up a side profile menu. Inside this menu, you'll see a list of different features. Look for the Profile Views option and tap on it. Alternatively, you can also access this information by tapping on your profile name at the top of the page. Then scroll down a bit and you'll see the Profile Views feature under the Analytics header. Tap on it to see the list of profile visitors. The Profile View section will show you the names, job titles, and company details of the people who have visited your LinkedIn profile. So that's basically how you can see who has visited your LinkedIn profile. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.